Today is the day where we start our big adventure.
Yay!
Yay!
Someone's excited.
Everybody's so excited! And we just took off from our friend's house into Sydney because we collect the Starbucks mugs of the cities where we go. And so we have to pick up a mug, and then we will follow the Pacific Highway up to Hunter Valley today to go and buy loads of wine, loads and loads of bottles of wine.
Stash up our princess.
Stash up our princess, which is fully equipped behind you, as you can see. And Marleen is again driving because she drove yesterday and she did such an amazing job. So yeah, we'll bring you guys along again today. Yes, on our big adventure. Later. On Pacific Highway. We just drove out of Sydney and we're on our way to the entrance, as they call it.
So what is it?
The entrance is supposed to be a very beautiful road next to the sea, where you have the sea on one side and then the lake on the other side.
Okay.
So okay.
Oh my god, would you look at this? Myrthe's made some new friends.
Harry.
It's Harry. I think he's more feathery. Look at them wiggling. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Jesus.
Okay, bye, Harry.
Myrthe's driving. And we're now going over the entrance. Wow, that's pretty cool.
Pretty beautiful.
That's really beautiful. Look at this side.
Look at all the pelicans.
Oh yeah.
There.
Oh wow.
Alright, we're on our way to Colbin, Hunter Valley. So the thing we're gonna do here, I think most of you who've been in Hunter Valley know what we're gonna do, is stash up this little princess here. Little princess? Who, me?
Little princess.
Me or the van?
Well, both.
With as much good Shiraz, good wine as we can find. Because good wine is like the essence of life. A good trip and of life. So that's what we're doing here.
We bought our first bottle. It's an expensive one, but it's so good. And we just had our first wine tasting. It's so much fun. They just pour you all the different wines and you get to taste them, and it's beautiful here. Look at the vineyards. And now we're going to our second one. We're looking for a dark horse.
Dark horse.
No, the vineyard is supposed to be called Dark Horse. It was just recommended by our previous vineyard. So we're looking for it, but we don't really know where it is. saber hunter. Let you know if I find it.
Yay! Oh! She did! I did it again!
Oh, here it is! Dark horse! We found it! Oh, by the way, that was number 8?
7.
No, 8.
7.
Alright, 7. Number 7 that you put the rain wipers on instead of the direction stick. Let's try this one.
Hi guys, so we just arrived at Dark Horse Vineyard and it is such a lovely place. Look at this. It is beautiful. And there are some good sayings on the wall. It says, step aside coffee. This is a job for wine.
You, me, and a bottle of wine. Why not?
Right handed. That's it. You're good.
So this is number 2. We bought a lovely red Shiraz.
Look at the bottle. The bottle is beautiful.
Dark Horse, it's all black. And we bought a rosé.
And it has a pink label.
We're gonna
so
bring
cute.
it. We're gonna bring it. So this is the Shiraz we're trying here.
At Kevin Sobel's Wines, proudly Hunter Valley. It's a very cute place. This is a port wine. There's a little bit more alcohol in there than a red wine, but it's amazing.
If you can mix them up, you can have them mixed round.
Perfect. We'll get a bottle.
Number 3.
We got the Shiraz. Looks amazing. Tastes amazing. And we got the port wine. And for those of you who don't know, you drink port wine with good cheese, and you can have it as a starter or an appetizer, or you can have it at the end of your meal.
Or both.
Or both. We have a little bit of a drive ahead of us, and it is now 3:30 in the afternoon. So we have to get going because they say that if you drive while it's getting into dusk, they call it between dusk and dawn.
Yeah.
There are kangaroos on the road, so we
hit them and we don't want
yes,
that.
no, and then you have huge accidents. And so we're gonna get going.
Yep.
Another wine.
Woohoo!
In our wine cellar.
In our princess.
So we're actually at the cheese company, and they sell loads of cheeses and grissini's, but no fresh French bread, which is pretty disappointing because I don't know if you guys know, but I'm half French, and so I love cheese and baguettes and charcuterie, and so they have a little bit of everything, but they don't have bread. Marleen is now paying for a tasting board for us, and right there. And then we'll have a seat with this little, I mean, it's very cute. Everything is very cute here. As you can see. we'll sit down here and we'll taste some cheese and we'll probably buy some for tonight.
Look at that. I'm excited.
What are you doing? We bought olives. We have wine, port. I think we have everything we need for a perfect evening. Let me just hop in the camper van. I'll show you guys how hard it is. Oh shit, the tomatoes dropped again. Out of the fridge. Oh gosh. I'm not too tall. Marleen is pretty tall. I'm tiny. I'm a tiny woman. So yeah, Marleen even has trouble getting in the van. So I'm not the only one. It doesn't fit. Why is the princess is whining?
Yeah, because your door's open.
Because my okay. Okay, so the princess is whining. Okay, so yeah, Marleen is putting the cheeses in the fridge, I guess, and we'll head off to where we stay, and we'll check in with you guys later. Our first. Oh, did you cut yourself a little bit? So this is our first meal in the Princess that we're cooking. We just arrived at Hunter Valley Resort and we're having chicken, broccoli and beans tonight. Yes. Because that's everything we were craving for after our Fiji trip, because they didn't have that many vegetables and we're used to eating many loads of vegetables at home. Yeah, so we're quite excited, and we'll keep you guys posted. Anything to say?
I'm in parking spot heaven.
Parking
lot.
How is it? It's really comfy.
Alright.
Why don't you join me?
Huh?
Bedtime. Bedtime. We'll let you know tomorrow morning how we're doing and if we can last for another 18 more days.